What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. In this particular video, we are going to be talking about the VMS Racing Store drag racing wheels for the C6 Corvette. Now, the particular model that we're talking about is the Z06 Grand Sport. Why are we talking about this model? Because those are the ones I have. Now, why is it even important for us to discuss those particular models? Well, the main reason is because it's very difficult to find wheels for the C6 Corvette for drag pads. You can find them, but they're going to be very, very expensive. This is one of the cheaper versions of drag racing wheels that you can buy. So let's dive right into it. We're going to show you what they look like, how much they cost, and the actual size. Now, you may not want a 19-inch tire. Why you don't want a 19-inch drag racing tire? Because they're going to be hard to find. So most people will drop down to a 275/40/17. Now, you get a better option in tires. The tires are a little bit less expensive, and that's exactly what I did. I started out with some Jegs wheels. Those work great, but you had to run spacers in order to get them to fit over the rear brakes on the Grand Sport. That's a problem. Fine stock, but once I got a little bit more power, didn't really want to run wheel adapter. So I needed another solution. The other solution, least expensive solution, were the VMS wheels. So we got them. We tried them out. You can get these directly from the VMS website, or you can get them off eBay. They're going to run you about $592. And let me show you what it looks like. Now we're going to go right into probably the downside of what these particular wheels look like. They are 17x10s with a 44 offset. That is why they fit over the brakes, but they barely fit. Now, being that they are 17x10s and the Grand Sport Z06 is a wide body, this is what your fitment is going to look like. The wheels are stuck in the fender well. You may not like that, but in this particular case, I wasn't too concerned with looks. I was a little bit concerned, I ain't gonna even lie, but I was more concerned with performance because, again, I did not want to run the wheel adapter. I just didn't feel like it would be safe with 600 horsepower. Now, as you can see, it's still a very, very close fit, but we got plenty of room to actually clear the brakes, and I've had zero issues with them. They're very clean. I only have the back. I'm running the Mickey Thompson Street R's, ET Street R's. These hook amazingly, by the way. What do I like most about these wheels? I think they look good. What do I hate least about them? Absolutely nothing. The only problem that I have is the wheel gap and the fact that they sit in from the fender. Now, if you were to run these on a base model, it would probably be absolutely perfect. But, you know, when you don't have that many options for the Z06, affordable options for the Z06 Grand Sport, this is what you have to make do. So then the next question probably is, would I buy these wheels again? Yes, I would, because at the time that was all I had in the budget, and I'm not even really running these except on the way to the track and home. I'm not saying that it looks bad for sure, but it would look better if you had like some wheels. You know, I'm not paying $1,500 for some wheels that aren't going to be on that long, and I really don't want to run skinnies up front all the time. So this is the option that you have. I know a lot of people are probably trying to search for a good set of wheels. I know it took me a while, and I had to settle on the Jegs. Like I said, they work good for stock with spacers, and they look good. These look good too. They will look even better if you felt comfortable enough to run wheel adapters, depending on your power level, but I really don't. I go to the track, they hook up, that's all that matters. So if you're looking for a set of wheels, you know, you may want to consider these. If you're looking for the front, they have the front too, but for my purposes, I'm not gonna never rock the front. I may get a set of front and just run all four when it goes to the track. In fact, I probably will do that if I get another car next year, and just keep those on the front at all times. Now, as a side note, what you do not want to do in order to make this look better, because I know you're going to be very tempted just to put a bigger tire on here, and you may be at stock power level. Do not do it, because you're going to wonder why. You're going to hook way better, but you're going to be slower because you're changing the diameter of the tire. Bigger tire means you're going to need more horsepower, meaning there's more rotating mass. Your miles per hour are going to drop. Your 60 foot is going to drop. Your ET is on the drop if you don't have the power to match the tire size. So that's why you want to go with a 275/40/17, because that's as close to the stock ratio as you can possibly get with a 17. That's just a little side note. So if you're in the market to getting some race wheels, check out VMS. I'm showing you how they look. You may not like it. Man, I don't like it that much, but it is what it is, and they work well. Somebody else may not care if you are a Corvette owner. I mean, if you want to risk putting some wheel adapters on there, put them on there. I did it for years when I had stock power, and I probably could run them like it is now, but with nitrous it's already hard on the drivetrain, so why make it even harder? This your boy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.